Shemai! This is a ukulele tutorial for Waterloo by Abba, and there's a matching play-along video for this on my Ukuleleans channel, and I'll drop a link in the description below. Right, let's take a little look at the chords. They're all quite nice and straightforward. The first chord is an A minor, then a C, a D7, an F, a G, and a G7 chord. And we play the simplified version of the D7 chord just to make life a little bit easier. If you're not sure how to play the chords, check out the chord charts because it'll tell you which strings and frets to play, and the numbers are our fingers. Okay, so the strum pattern. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And pretty much throughout the whole song it stays the same. Quite fast. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Alright, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Use your first finger or your thumb, whichever you prefer, but keep it nice and light. Most of the song is like that. There's just the odd couple of bits where we miss the first down strum of a pattern. So it'll sound something like, so you're playing along and then you're going to miss the first down. And then it goes back to down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Alright, I will point those out as we're going through the song, and you need to keep your eye on the little record going above the chords, and it'll show you how long to play the chord for. Okay, so let's have a little play through the song. It starts on a C chord, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, apart from the ones where we just miss it, and I will point that out. All right, get ready, here we go. How could I ever refuse? I feel like a win when I lose. Waterloo, couldn't escape if I wanted to. See the patterns? Waterloo, finally facing my Waterloo. Waterloo, knowing my fate is to be with you. Waterloo, finally facing my water. And we just fade out. I hope that has helped. Don't forget, there is a matching play-along video to go with this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.